Hey folks, Lester here. The storms are over and now we have sunny skies. It's absolutely gorgeous outside. And as my main man Jason Wagner would say, it's supercalifragilisticexpialidocious outside. It's unbelievable. Oh my god, folks. Any of you haven't seen the weather forecast for the upcoming days? Oh my god. I got great news for you. They're calling for sunny skies and temperatures in the 70s! Oh! So make sure you get your kids, your pets, and your farm animals and take them outside and run around and play fetch and do all kinds of crazy things. And maybe go to an amusement park, ride the Ferris wheel, or the merry-go-rounds, or get some cotton candies, or ride some roller coasters. Or maybe if you lived in Florida areas, they have some theme-based ride. You can find a ride that has boomers! I'm sure that some of them have thunderstorms in them. But most importantly, just have fun. Because not every day it's sunny. So you should take advantage of the sun, maybe have a few breakfast sandwiches, and just say thanks. Okay.